show you two ways to do a DIY body cam and for a cap, like this cap. So first you need to have a belt like so, and you see what I here have is this is the everything. If you don't have anything, buy this. This is the only thing you need to buy if you want to film and do. But if you don't, if you have a camera but you have a phone, so we take it here, then we have it like so. So then we take away this and take it here, and we take it so, and we take it so, and you have it so, and you take it so, and now you have a cap, a phone here. You can ride bike with, or run, or what you wanna do, and is a good, not spinning. And only tips I want to do it: use a flat cap, not this one. This is a round. It's better to do a flat cap, so then stay forward.